What's Louie doing in there?
He's making holiday Irish cookies for President Bradley to make him feel at home.
Biscuits. They call cookies biscuits in Ireland.
Whatever. The President and Miss Bradley are coming soon, and Louie surprises them with biscuits.
What was that?
Louie. Hey, you almost done with those cookies? My bad. Biscuits. The Bradleys will be here soon.
Hey, Louie. Thanks for having us. What are you making? Cookies?
Actually, they're Irish biscuits.
You should know that.
These are unbelievable. Thank you, Louie.
Our recipe for a happy holiday season includes family, friends, and coordination. We hope you have a season of happiness and togetherness. And we can't wait to do more great things together in 2026. Go Cards!